In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a multi-day event in Outlook. This is perfect for things like conferences, training programs, vacations, or any plan that spans more than one day and needs to appear clearly on your calendar. Start by opening Outlook and heading to your calendar. You'll typically see Calendar along the left side of the app. Once you're there, create a new item by selecting New Event. In some versions, this might be labeled New Appointment. Both take you to the same event form where you'll set everything up. In the event window, choose your start date and your end date. For example, if your event runs from December 26th through December 27th, pick those dates in the date fields. Outlook will use those to define the span on your calendar. If you're not sure whether the end date should be included, remember that for multi-day items, the end date is the last day the event should show on your calendar. Next, make it a true multi-day banner by checking the all-day box. This is what transforms your event into a single, continuous bar across the dates you selected, instead of showing specific start and end times. It keeps your schedule clean and makes the event easy to spot at a glance. Now add the details that bring the event to life. Enter a clear title, like Annual Conference, so it's immediately recognizable. Add a location if there's a physical venue, or a brief note if it's virtual. You can also use the description area to include an agenda, keynotes, links, or any instructions attendees might need. If you're inviting others, add them in the attendee field so they receive the invitation and can respond. Outlook will handle the calendar updates automatically when people accept or decline. When everything looks right, finalize it. If this event is just for your own calendar, choose Save Close. If you've added attendees and want to send invites, click Send. After that, you'll see your event displayed as a clean, all-day banner stretching from the start date to the end date you chose, making your schedule easy to understand at a glance. That's all it takes to set up a multi-day event in Outlook. Open your calendar, create a new event, pick the start and end dates, mark it as all day, fill in the essential details, and then save or send. Thanks for watching.